Now I'm back in Saturday morning. I did a test without video last night, and I was pretty pleased. I have, a few things I need to do yet. Tuck that headlight in, polish the linkage and get that assembled, get the rear truck back on, and there's a bezel for that backup light I need to do. I was going to try to do an interior light. I just don't think I have it. I think it broke in the process. I've been using these Illinois Central refrigerator cars because I had some, and then I had some cattle cars. I've been using those as a test, but I had picked up a small collection from a friend of a friend kind of thing, how it works, and I hadn't really used his stuff, so I thought maybe it's time I bring out some of these things that I just picked up. So I have a couple tankers, really clean Northern Pacific. I need a hobo sitting in there. Cat's paws. I got a new GAFX, which I had one, but I sold it. I had a couple MKTs, the Cadies. Got a cement car, pipe car, couple empty gondolas. And I have this really cool Illinois Central caboose. I just put it on because I have it. I know this engine is really a Virginian, but in any case, or Carolinian, I don't know where it is. But I thought, I have not done this yet. Oh, and the count was, I think, 20 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Johns Hopkins graduate. I can count. Oh, and I have 3 more. Oh, damn. Let's try 20. I want to push it, okay? So I'm going to fire this system up, turn on my overhead, get to the master distribution panel, making sure my little red light inside my TIU is up. Let things settle down. I've unplugged my Gabe, so he's not carrying on. Powered this up. These things settle down after a while, and then they go into a rest mode. Boom, see that? But when a train triggers the signal, they come down and act out. It's kind of fun. That's only on the inner loop. So I'm going to bring this up to, I think, 19 maybe should do it, without getting too rambunctious. And yeah, maybe I'll put these lights on as well. Have some city lights. I don't know, we'll see. No, they're not on. Oh, no, that's that. Okay, what turns that on? I am always confused here. That's on. That's on, that's on. That's on. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why these lights aren't on. Oh, they're not triggered. I'm so dumb. When they get triggered, they turn on. Let's try it. There we go. When the train goes by, they do not have a yelling signal. They just come on. Okay. Okay, they'll be on. 0.7. I don't know what's drawing 0.7. Oh, the caboose maybe he's added up. Okay. So now I'm at my MTH handheld, and you have to turn on the handheld. There's a new system now that gives you Wi-Fi to your cell phone, which is pretty cool. But then I wouldn't know how I would make movies if my cell phone was running it. Okay, so I'm on engine number 6, and I'm going to say, let's say start up. Let's see if it'll start, huh? I'm going to hit the start button. Steaming up. Oh boy. Okay. I don't know, alright? I'm just gonna go like maybe 3 miles an hour, see what happens. it. 5 miles an hour. 6, 7, 8. Ten. $15. There's no helper engine. I mean, I'll be honest, I've never pulled that many cars ever. Ah, here comes the train. See the signals? Steady. Nope, he's not gonna do it. He's jumping that track. It's my track, and I've got to take it apart and fix it again. I've got a crack in my tables that is not level. Doggone it. All right. We're not gonna back up. It's too risky. Let's just take off again. Nice and slow. Little slip. Little slip. God, love it. I love this engine. It is awesome. I'm gonna have to learn how to paint. This is so pretty. The tender is still in New York City. Holy cow. Oh my God. That is incredible. Just incredible. 3 miles an hour. Incredible. Incredible. Oh, I didn't check what it was pulling it through. Let's do that. Sorry. Oh my God, look at this. Not even 2 amps. Uh-oh. Having a little trouble in the turn. Little trouble in the turn. Fire, see the fire? Try it again. That's it. Just needed a little mow. A little mow. Outstanding. Unbelievable.
Now riding from New York on track number 1, train number 51, the Empire State Express.
Not really. That's the voice I've put in there to get testing. Is that amazing? I'm shutting her down. Holy cow. 20 cars. from one collection, except for the caboose. Oh, wow. Yeah, well, it's going to be fun. All right, I'm going to get to work now on the headlamp and the taillight bezel, and then the linkage. Oh, wow, what a ride. What a ride.